Pollinators can help your plants grow, but you have to make your garden welcoming. Check out a few ways to attract pollinators to your garden. 1. Choose native plants. Native plants provide pollinators with familiar food sources. They're also better adapted to the area and will do well in the garden. 2. Mix up your plants. Pollinators like different plants, so you'll want to choose a variety of them. Bees like bee balm, dill, and sunflowers. Butterflies like marigolds, yarrow, and lavender. 3. Provide a water source. If you want to attract pollinators, you need to provide a water source. Bird baths or a shallow dish of water work well. Be sure to replace the water regularly. 4. Provide shelter. Pollinators need a place to rest. Shrubs and trees can provide them with shelter. They can also rest under piles of leaves, branches, or in areas with bare soil. 5. Be careful using pesticides. If you need to protect your garden from harmful pests, you'll want to choose a pesticide that won't harm pollinators. Our plant-based 3-in-1 garden spray kills pests on contact and provides residual repellency. It doesn't leave behind harmful residues, so pollinators won't be harmed unless sprayed directly. For more helpful tips and pest information, be sure to follow us and visit our website at maggiesfarmproducts.com.